Hey, I have a confession to make. I am terrible at taking meeting notes. I hate it. I miss what people say, or I stop paying attention to the actual meeting because I'm too busy typing. That's why I'm super excited to test Otter AI, a tool that records your meetings, transcribes them, and even creates summaries for you. And if you've forgotten something that's been said in a call, just ask the AI chat and it'll find it for you in seconds. Let me walk you through Otter AI, see how it works, and we'll see if it becomes your next favorite tool or if it's a tool you should not use. Let's check now one of the most important things, which is how much will Otter AI cost you. I really like that there's a basic free plan. Many AI tools don't bother offering free plans. Then the main difference between the paid plans start at around $8.50 a month is how many minutes you can transcribe, videos you can import, and how many meetings you can attend with Otter AI. Let me create my login. I'm going to do it with Google. Then Otter AI will ask me how is it I want to configure it. It's pretty flexible. I'm going to say I want only to record meetings where I'm the host. I don't want to share the notes with anyone. Then it tells me a little bit how it works. If I want to invite people, at the moment no one. And then it's asking me what kind of job I have. I'm going to say that I am in marketing, that I'm an individual contributor. I want Otter to generate action items. I'm gonna tick this one. I do want to attend meetings, that's all right. I want to transcribe audio, extract the insights, and follow up emails. Next. And then that's my dashboard with Otter AI. It did take me a little bit to get used to it. Although I acknowledge it's well designed, there is something about it that it was a little bit off. Perhaps I haven't slept enough today. Hey, quick coffee break here. I wanted to let you know about the newsletter I send every week with my favorite app recommendations, just like this one, to help you do more in less time and with my productivity tips. It's an awesome newsletter and totally free. Now back to the video. The first thing you should do is go into your account settings and connect all the tools that you need to. I'm going to head over integrations, and Google is already connected. But then if my meetings are happening over Zoom, I need to add Zoom. And if I want Otter AI to have access to Dropbox and be able to create files for me and store data, I also need to give it access. One thing Otter AI should improve is the integrations. As you can see, there are not that many. In Zapier, you can use Otter AI, so you could technically build your own automations and integrations with Zapier. That's not ideal because that's a lot of work for you, and that also means you probably need to now pay for a Zapier account. Let me head over the home section here, and here you will be presented with the different meetings that you've recorded. At the moment we have none because it's a new account. This will allow me to show you one of the functions of Otter AI, which is that I can import meetings that I have already recorded. As you can see, the free plan only allows me to have 3 imports. We've uploaded the file and Otter AI is transcribing. Let me show you some interesting Otter AI features. Over here, I have access to my calendar. As you can see, I have the upcoming meetings and I can decide whether I want Otter AI to record them or not. Let's keep it off for the moment. Then Otter AI allows you to create different channels, similar how it works in Slack. With our team, we create a lot of content in different channels. So I could add one for each. For example, we have a newsletter, so we're going to call it newsletter. And then every meeting or every call or every training that we have that has to do with the newsletter, we can sync it with this channel. But we could have also one for our YouTube videos. And we could also have one for our website. All right, now it seems that the meeting has been finished importing. As you can see, it's here and it's giving me an overview, a summary. So that's pretty cool. And then it has also created action items, which I could assign to people. So for example, I could assign it to myself, and also this one, I could add it one manually. But this is a bit of a techie one, so I am not gonna assign it to me, but I will assign it to someone else in the team. That's pretty cool because now if I come here, I can see that the action items that I assign to myself, they are actually here. Let's go back now to that meeting and let's ask the AI assistant what platform will we use to automate our AI workflows? Otter AI will analyze the transcription of the meeting, and hopefully it's going to tell us that NAN is the platform we will use. And as you can see, exactly, NAN is the platform that we will use, and we will have it self-hosted in a VPS. That's pretty impressive. All right, that's it for today. What did you think about Otter AI? Will you give it a go? Let me know in the comments. By the way, if you don't want to miss our next video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you around.